Welcome back to 17,000 Platter of Indonesia. Today we are going to make something really special, like very special. We're gonna make lasagna, but it's a vegan lasagna with no cheese, no nothing. It's lasagna ala me, Abe, by 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. So what you're gonna need, just tempeh. So we're gonna make a tempeh lasagna, guys. For you vegan out there, you have to try this at home. We're gonna make because it's a vegan, we're gonna make tofu as the meat. So how we gonna make tofu and we mix with 17,000 flavors of Indonesia? Let's do that now. Okay, it's bumbu putih. Okay, here. There's how many for 4? I'm gonna use 2 spoons of bumbu putih here. Okay. Put bumbu merah. This give the kick a little bit, maybe 1 spoon. Okay. Let me do like this. You can chop it or you can just, easy way is here. That's the easy way. Okay, and then you mix it like that. So, not chicken stock, it's a veggie stock. It's to taste, depend on you guys. We're gonna put pure tomato, okay? Just a little bit to make it liquid a little bit. Maybe like half cup. Okay. Have onion or tomatillos, leftover tomatillos from the previous one. You don't concentrate it. Here. Okay, remember guys, you don't need to put all of this if you don't want it. Just the seasoning and any type of tofu or mushroom. You can use mushroom too as the stuff for that. And then you mix it. Okay. Put it there. You can put it closer than together like that. And then pour this. And then put like that. Put like that. Okay, mix them together. Salt, you can put more salt. Since I don't eat a lot of salt, don't put too much salt. At the end, you can use some sauce or whatever you want to use. Ketchup sauce or whatever. Okay, then cover it. Cover and make sure it's closed like that. Okay, you want. Okay guys, so just put this on the top. Then I'm gonna put bumbu merah here too, because we love spice, so we use a lot of bumbu merah. Okay, so I'm gonna put umami. It's a mushroom salt on the top a little bit. Okay. Ta-da! Your lasagna is ready. Alright then guys, so it's ready. Okay, so we did like 60 minutes. Yeah, 60 minutes. So 45 to 60 minutes. If you want to be a little bit longer, it's okay, so you can put it longer. But 60 minutes, 45 to 60 minutes. Ta-da!